Yana Bernardes and I played Vanji, the assistant director of Shireen's set. So Vanji is the strong-willed AD of Shireen. Siyempre, as AD-PM, we always negotiate. So yung balance niya ng mamando tsaka ng charm. So yun si Vanji. I hope magawa ko.
In one word, can you tell us what you're feeling?
Sa linya ni Medsvar. Exciting.